Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a custom knife factory FIF20 Framelock titanium carbon fiber inlay shredded carbon fiber. I'm gonna try to clean it up and I'm gonna try to install just a set of skiff bearings right over here. I don't know which one, I just got a bunch. Anyways, I'll open it up and see how we can do it. I'm just gonna start from this side with T8 Torx bit, noticing that this fella has a non-spinning, sorry, a spinning pivot, which doesn't allow me, maybe if I just press it, no, I'm just gonna need another one. With the T8, which is this guy over here. Boom. So one is gonna be holding on this side, actually, like this, right? In place. Second one is right over here, and let's go. So, okay, so pivot is out, but always do this first, so you won't have any issues. There we go. So we got the pivot out, correct? So this is out, like this. Just grab some, I got like this, my pivot pusher. So gently now check, you see, because you have the stop pin, okay? So now this thing doesn't go anywhere, so just don't worry, just leave it there. That's the pivot, okay? Because we're gonna just flip this fella like so, and we're gonna change into T6 kind of affair for these tiny screws for the handle, and this is out, and the second one is also out. So now we should be able to just remove the show side scale like so. So scale is out like that. There you go. Spacer, everything comes apart. Pretty cool. So you also have the year now on the inside. So definitely we're gonna change these two fellas. They're gonna go into this little bag. So we know they're here, done. And then I'm just leaving them here because I'm gonna try and see if I can find some skiffs for that. Are these? Yeah, so I believe that's the reference you want to know for skiff bearings for your FIF knife. Here you go. I believe that's that, right? So if it fits the pivot, no, it doesn't. Oh man, so I think we are out of luck at this point. So the pivot is not that, so I lied. It's definitely not that. So guys, I don't think I have... I don't. Sorry. Got a bunch of other size, but you're not gonna get any skiffs on this because Fab is out. I don't know, I installed them somewhere. Anyways, that was a fail. It's all right. Let's just go ahead and improve the action on these regular bearings. Okay, it's gonna be all right. So bearings are clean. We're pretty dry, I have to say. It was, I mean, this is new, but still, it's kind of dry. Here, we clean it up like so. It was actually dirty. So here, I'm gonna try to do something a little bit different. I'm gonna use a little bit heavier weight nano oil. Let's see. if we can clean underneath the washers as well. This doesn't want to come out. All right, so sometimes we need a little bit of force, but always be gentle. As I say, just be gentle with knives. Knives are like women, right? You need to take care of them. You need to really take care of them so they are beautiful and they're happy, right? I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I'm just all right, so let's go back and put this thing together. So we got here, let's do stop pin on this side. Backspacer is in place. The stainless steel washer is in place. 1, 2, 3 drops right there, one for the pivot, and we're good to go. And the bearing is in, and the blade is in, like so. Second bearing is in. Another 1, 2, 3 drops. Let's do 4 right over there. And then you got the washers on top. And then you got your cap that is falling. And then you get to put the scale back. So just release the lock bar tension right over there. Keep it pinched. Nice. So we got a T6 we said. So we're going to do this first. Like so. Second T6 is also in place. Nice and snug. Don't over tighten because you know that's a big no-no. Just switch the T6 for the T8, and since we have a non-spinning pivot, sorry, a spinning pivot, I'm not Loctiting anything here. So, oh yeah, right. So here, let me see. There's no blade play, no lock rock. Blade dead centered to me. Action. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yes, 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 yes. Now we are talking. Now we are in business. Officially. Finally. Look at this. Are we happy? I bet we are. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think and stay tuned.